In 2019, Martin Duram was found dead in his home. The police were ready to close the case as a suicide, but they forgot one witness who saw everything. The family's Amazon parrot began acting strange. It wasn't just squawking, it was reenacting a terrifying argument. The bird started screaming in two different voices. Investigators realized the wife was the real killer. Thanks to a bird that wouldn't stay silent, she was sentenced to life in prison. Never underestimate who or what is watching. Do you think a parrot's words should be used as evidence in court? Let me know your thoughts.